How to change your TikTok region. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to change the TikTok region, first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. Next, launch TikTok application and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen and then on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Here, select on settings and privacy. As you tap on settings and privacy, select on the option of account that pops up as the very first option. As you tap on account, select account information. Here you can see the option of account region, so just tap on it and you can now switch to any other region that you would want to change your region to. So you can just tap on it and you can search for any other region. I'm going to select for New Zealand over here, and as I do that, you just have to wait for a while so if it can update to your region or not. So there are certain requirements that you need to meet in order to get your region updated. So just make sure that you have met that update on the region. After that, you'll be able to change your TikTok region. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.